Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very refreshing salad made of green mangoes, and it is named as green mango salad. This goes very well with any kind of veg or non-veg dishes, a perfect accompaniment. So without any delays, let's look into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient is of course mango, and here I have exactly one mango which I have cut into long thin shreds like this. Next I have 1/4 of a red onion which I have sliced thinly, and half of a bell pepper. I have 1/4 of red and about 1/4 of a green. So in total we need half of a capsicum finely shredded, 1 green chilli finely chopped. If you like more heat, you can increase or decrease the amount accordingly. 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves finely chopped. Now for the dressing, I have about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The exact amount depends on the sourness of the mango, and instead of brown you can go in for white sugar also. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. You can also use paprika powder if you want. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Some salt according to your taste. So let's start preparing the salad. For that I'm going to begin with the dressing. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next goes in the sugar. At this point I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon red chili powder and some salt to taste, along with the lime juice. The amount of lime juice also differs. If the mango is too sour, add in a little less. So right now I am adding about 1 teaspoon, and finally 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. If you don't have fish sauce, you can alternate it with some soy sauce. Mix everything well. And our dressing for the salad is ready. After mixing everything well, taste it, and if you feel you need sugar or salt more, you can adjust it accordingly. And now I'm going to add in the mangoes to it, along with the onions and bell peppers, chopped green chilies, and finally the coriander leaves. And I'm going to mix everything well. And this is how my salad looks. It is ready. It is a great accompaniment with any kind of chicken or non-veg dishes. And so I'm going to serve it now. My raw mango salad is ready, and I have garnished it with a little bit of coriander leaves on top. My green mango salad is ready. It is very simple to prepare and a must try during the summer months. And on that note, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.